Who are the most important people in our lives? The people that when we're around them, it's easier for us to do good things based on our faith. Those two things are a logical progression. So let me just briefly explain what that means. What does it mean to have a logical progression? In simple English. Every person has some idea of what it means to do good. They have their own concept of good and evil. As a matter of fact, sometimes our definitions can be very different. It could be that a non-Muslim or somebody else who doesn't really know about their faith says, well, in my opinion, here's how you should raise a child. And they have a certain opinion of how you should raise a child. And you compare that to somebody who has faith and say, no, I wouldn't teach this and this and this to my child. I completely disagree with you. In other words, they both think they're doing good to their child, but they have very different definitions, don't they? They look at reality very, very differently. When you have faith, when you really truly have faith, then your definition of what is good and what is bad, what does it mean to do good deeds, doesn't come from your opinion anymore. It actually comes from your faith. It comes from, you let Allah decide what is good and what is bad, regardless of your own feelings. Even if you feel like it's not comfortable for you, when you know something is good, you'll do it anyway. But Allah is teaching us something profound. Of all the things you receive from people and all the things you give to people, the most important thing that you can receive and the most important thing you can give is actually a reinforcement of your faith. The most valuable people in your life, the most important people in your life are not the people who are financially supporting you. They're not the people that are making you feel better. The most important people in your life are the ones that keep you on your faith, the ones that reinforce your faith.